everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very different video. I've seen a lot of people doing YouTubers pick my outfit for the week challenge. I remember that was really popular and I wanted to do it back then, but I never really got around to doing it. That video doesn't really make sense now because no one's really going anywhere. So it didn't make sense for me to ask other like my YouTuber friends to pick outfits for me because I'm in PJs all day, every day. So I gave it a little bit of a twist, and what we're gonna do is YouTubers are gonna pick what I eat for a day. I really enjoy food challenges, so I thought this was like a great in-between. Watch till the end because you might just find your favorite YouTuber in this video. Of course, I'm gonna make sure to leave everyone's YouTube channel in the description box below, so you should go and check out their videos. And also, having said that, I haven't been able to obviously include a lot of YouTubers in this video, so maybe we could do a part 2 because I could only involve like 5 YouTubers because usse zyada main kya hi khau, right? So we could do a part 2. Let me know in the comments down below, and let's just get started with the video. Good morning. So breakfast for today is going to be picked out by that quirky Miss Aditi Shrestha.
Hello. Hi everyone, and hi Mridul. So thank you so much firstly for asking me to be a part of this video. Since you asked me to pick a breakfast for you, the first thing that comes to my mind are pancakes. मुझे pancakes खाना बहुत पसंद है. For topping, you can either have butter या फिर honey या फिर bananas because these are my 3 options that I personally love. For beverage, you can have coffee if you want to. I'm so excited to be a part of this and to watch you make pancakes. All the best.
So I'm pretty sure I found her channel through some lehenga video, and of course I've been following her ever since. I really enjoy her Sarojini Nagar videos. I'm obsessed. Other than that, also she makes a lot of really fun vlogs and lifestyle content. I personally really do enjoy her content, so definitely check it out. Talking about today's breakfast, I'm gonna be making some pancakes. Not really a fan of pancakes, but I'm gonna make that and some coffee. I'm so happy that she said that I could have coffee because I love coffee and I'm just really happy about coffee. So let's go make some breakfast. I actually really enjoyed the pancakes. I didn't think I would, but the combination of like pancakes with butter, I really enjoyed. So thank you, Aditi, for the suggestion. I'm gonna have a lot more of these. So that's what I had, and I of course had my cup of coffee along with it. So it's time for lunch, and today's lunch is going to be picked out by Simi Goraya. If you already don't know who Simi Goraya is, of course I'm going to link her channel and her Instagram in the description box below, but she makes really cool beauty content. Like if you want suggestions when it comes to makeup, you have to check out her Instagram especially.
Hi Mridul. Okay, first of all, thank you for choosing me to be a part of this challenge video. And now coming to your lunch bit, I'm actually thinking, should I make it like a challenge for you or should I give you something very easy? Because I can only think of dal khichdi because I had dal khichdi for lunch, but I think that'll be like too easy for you. So I'm thinking, why don't you do a Lebanese lunch? Like anything Lebanese, proper Lebanese main course. Although I'm so sorry I'm not specific, but I feel like Lebanese would be a good vibe for lunch. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, bye. I hope you enjoy the lunch, and good luck. See you. Bye.
So you heard her. I'm going to be having Lebanese today. God bless her soul. I love Lebanese, especially I love Beirut, and I've been talking about Beirut a lot recently. So what I'm going to be ordering is I'm going to order some hummus, pita bread, and baklava. So that's what I'm going to order. That's going to fill me up, and I'm going to also order like extras. So that I can eat them maybe tomorrow also. I'm so excited about this. I'm so glad that I decided to film this video only because I could order this and have this today. So lunch is here. This is what it looks like. So we've ordered some hummus, and then it comes with veggies, pita bread. I've ordered extra hummus, extra veggies, extra pita bread, and then for dessert I've ordered baklava with some, it comes with the ice cream. So that's what I'm gonna have for dessert. I know there's no main course as such, but honestly, I just get full by eating this and that. So I don't want to over order, but I'm very happy and it looks very appetizing. Taste test. This is the first time he's having Beirut ka hummus.
Let's see.
It's damn good. है कि नहीं?
फटे
है कि नहीं? अभी हाँ पीटा ब्रेड के साथ ट्राई कर.
ये पूरा मैं खा रहा हूँ तुझे.
मैंने एक और इसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा मंगाया. Isn't it fab?
बहुत.
So the best part is here. We have some baklava right here. Again, if you go to Beirut, you have to try the hummus and this. It's so good. So I just got done with my lunch and it was so good. By the way, excuse the mess in my background. I'm trying to like film, so it gets messy like when you're trying to film. But I just want to take a fat nap because I'm in like food coma. I ate a little bit too much, but it was so good. I made everyone try it. I think Jatin's, it was his first time, yeah. So he really liked it as well. And yeah, thank you Simi for this awesome lunch recommendation. So it is 7 o'clock right now, so we're a little bit late for chai time, snacks time. And for chai time I picked Gopali. I think you guys already know who Gopali is, but if you don't know, basically she makes a lot of fun food related challenge videos. I think how I found her was through some of her color food challenge. I think I watched her pink food challenge or blue. I think yeah, I watched her blue food challenge and that's how I discovered her channel, and I've been watching it ever since. I've been a loyal subscriber. So she's gonna pick snacks for today. So you heard her, we're gonna have some chai. I'm not a chai person, to be very honest. I am craving some coffee so bad. Like this is the time when I have some coffee, but of course I'm gonna have some chai, elaichi wali chai with some makhana. So I've ordered that already. We're gonna go and make it now.
Hello Ji, hello Mridul. So for your afternoon snack, I'll suggest you to have some yummy kadak adrak ilaichi wali chai with some roasted makhana. जैसे थोड़ा सा salt भी sprinkle कर लेना. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy having that. Tata, have fun.
My chai is ready. It actually smells really good. We have the makhana here as well. And yes, if you can see, I am wearing my PJs underneath the dress. It's actually pretty good. I got this elaichi chai. I'll link it down below if you want. I ordered it for this video. काफी अच्छी बनी क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा चीनी डाल दी है, so it tastes nice. So I'm gonna have this with my makhana. Okay, so it is almost 11 right now and thoda sa late ho gaya. Everything's running a little bit late because I was filming a video, but it's time for dinner and Mansi is gonna pick my dinner for today. So she's decided that I need to have Szechuan fried rice. I like Szechuan fried rice quite a lot, but this isn't a very good time for me because I have chhale yahan pe bhi, upar bhi. Like I have ulcers everywhere. So not the best time for me to have Szechuan fried rice, but I will, that's okay. By the way, if you don't know who Mansi Mao is, of course the channel is going to be linked down below, but she makes really cool skincare, makeup, lifestyle videos. But more importantly, I do want you guys to subscribe to More Mao, which is her vlogging channel, which just has really relatable content, so definitely check it out.
Hi Maddie, I hope your challenge is going good so far. I'm gonna give you something very easy, don't worry. I want you to have something in rice category because I never see you eating rice that much, but not your regular dal chawal. I want you to have Szechuan fried rice, and if I'm not wrong, I think I have given you the recipe for it as well, so you can maybe make it or order it. I don't know, but have Szechuan fried rice.
So this is what the Szechuan fried rice looks like. I did order it bahar se because I did not have the patience to make it. My mom's gonna be very pissed after watching this video, and I've ordered almost everything aaj bahar se, but it's okay. Ek din ke liye chalta hai. Okay, so it's only been an hour since I've had dinner and I couldn't really eat a lot because of my ulcers. It even hurts to talk. So it's time for some snacks because I am really hungry, and for my midnight snacks I chose Anam because number one, I knew what she was gonna pick for me and I wanted to try it out. So that's number one. Other than that, she sleeps really early, so I thought it would be ironic and funny for her to ask me to pick my midnight snacks. So yeah, let's hear what she has to say.
Hi Mridul, what I want you to eat in today's video is actually really obvious. I want you to try some of my classic favorite Laytella. I want you to have blue lays with Nutella. I promise you will love it. I know थोड़ा सा अजीब sound करता है पहली बार जब मैं किसी को भी बताती हूँ तो they're like what is this ridiculous combination, but it basically comes from हम बचपन में वो wafers के साथ केक नहीं खाते थे birthday parties पे. It originated from that and it's just become something that I love and a lot of my followers love as well. So try it out and tell me what you think. Laytella time for you.
I already predicted that I have my snacks ready, but before that you have to check out Anam. If you already don't know her, her work is fabulous. I've been following her for years at this point, even before she became a really good friend of mine. She makes lots of beauty content on her YouTube channel, and other than that her Instagram, she's so active on her Instagram and she's always posting really cool content on there, so definitely check her out. On to the snacks. So here we have blue lays, which I love. Who doesn't love blue lays? And we have some Nutella, however you say it. Let me know in the comments down below what do you call this. Okay, let's do this. I should have probably removed the Nutella in like a bowl, but YOLO. It's okay. Like, I don't love it, I don't hate it, but I can eat it. So I will finish the whole bag of chips for sure. My mouth hurts really bad, but I'll finish it either ways. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Now let's move on to the giveaway. Today's giveaway is going to be an Instagram giveaway. In order to win, all you need to do is subscribe, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Ski On Apparels, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.